Hey everyone, it's Jacob from Dragon Tiny Homes. We just did a video on the 32-foot version of the Avalon, and here today is a 24-foot version of the Avalon. So this is the original Avalon. Of course, we've made some changes over this. It's the first model that we ever built, and this one has some upgrades and features in it. And let's go through and take a look at everything that it has. Of course, you can see behind me, it's 24 feet by 8.5 feet wide, so that's the floor print of it. And then from the ground to the top is 13 feet 6 inches. This of course is built on our custom trailer that we do build here in-house, with the 4-inch drop axles giving us a lower deck height, so actually more room in the loft and bedroom. We have LP siding on this house around the whole exterior. These residential windows, the black exterior, white interior, tempered glass, low E, fully insulated residential windows here, high quality. And then we have the steel roof up on the top. So the exterior of the house has got everything that you could need. And then we got the door here with the full glass in it as well. Let's go inside and take a look at everything that we've done inside the home and give you guys a full tour. As we enter into the Avalon, we get right into the kitchen space. This home has a nice sized kitchen in it. You can see just how much countertop space is here. Of course, down below is where the laundry machine goes. The combo washer dryer fits in right there under the countertop. We got some upper cabinets in here, and we put a hood vent in above the induction cooktop on this side. The black stainless steel sink, and then these nice gray quartz countertops. And then of course, all the cabinetry is all soft close, nice high quality cabinets, soft close doors, drawers, everything like that. And then there is room to put a shelf up above here if you wanted some more storage. You can see some images of that. We'll put that on the screen, what that looks like. So that's your kitchen space in this home. Lots of room to actually cook and use the kitchen. And then opposite of that, we get into the refrigerator. So the fridge lives in this cubby right here. This is a 7 cubic foot fridge, and we could put a larger one in here if you wanted. That's why it's a little bit bigger. You got the quartz countertop on top, so you can put some plants and things like that on top without worrying about damaging anything. And then next to the fridge, we have this countertop here that's on top of this drawer cabinet. So you have drawers that you can put some more storage in, and then this countertop that you can throw your keys, phone, and things like that on as soon as you walk in the door. So just a little bit more storage space on this side, and then storage down below underneath the fridge right there. Coming back into the home a little bit more, we get into the living space. So we have the couch over on this side, right below this huge picture window. The couch here is built on the built-in platform because this is living actually on top of the wheel well. So you have storage underneath there that you can fill up with all sorts of stuff, and then your couch sits on top. And then opposite of the couch is the TV media area. So we got a 43-inch TV mounted on the wall right here. Lots of room to make a bigger TV in there if you wanted. We could put a mantle under here, fireplace on the wall. We could put a table down here that you could sit at, all sorts of different things that you could use in this space. But it's nice that you can sit down here and watch TV and then still have the view behind you. Over here is the loft. So this is the primary loft, the first loft in the house. This one is a queen size loft, so you can put a queen size bed up there. You still have room on either side for nightstands and things like that. Plenty of windows that bring in a lot of light in there. There's actually a 6-foot wide window in there, almost the width of that loft, and it's accessed via this ladder. So this ladder just hooks up onto this pole right here, and you're able to get in, and then you're able to move it off to the side when you're not using that ladder anymore. Now this loft lives above the bedroom. So the bedroom is really what makes an Avalon an Avalon. We have a bedroom here with a queen size bed in it right now, just so you guys get a sense of what that looks like. You can see I have room to walk around in this, and then there still is some space to do some storage items in here as well. We could even put a full pantry cabinet in here that gives you lots of enclosed storage, and you can see something like that on our 32-foot version of this house. We have a TV mounted on the wall here so that you have a place to watch TV. And yeah, just a nice private bedroom on the first floor. You don't have to go up any stairs or ladder, and it's all still in this 24-foot tiny home. All right, going back through the living space, back through the kitchen, we get to the last space in the home, and this is the bathroom and secondary loft. So starting on the loft here, this is a full-size loft, so you can fit a full-size bed up in there. We have cubby storage on this side, so you can put a lot of storage of other clothes and things like that on this side. So this could either be used as a loft, secondary loft, if you wanted to have a full-size bed up there, or this could just be a full storage loft. The bump out from the bathroom continues all the way up into that loft, so you get lots of extra storage up there as well. So really just some bonus space on that side of the house. Down below that though is the bathroom. So the bathroom here has the toilet. This toilet is an automatic bidet, heated seat, all sorts of cool stuff in this toilet. We went ahead and included that in this house. Behind me here is the vanity. The vanity lives on the bump out, so it's actually not included in the 24 feet. And then the water heater actually lives inside of this cabinet here. So it's inside, nice and protected, and then right behind there, not sticking out that you can see it. Right here is the 36-inch shower, so nice size shower. Of course, you guys have seen this bathroom before on all of our other tiny homes. It's the bathroom I think we use in almost every single model, and it looks nice. It's got everything in it that you need. And then we went with this nice blue color, give it a little bit different feel than the rest of the house. The first model, we've of course made changes to it. You've seen videos. If you scroll back through our videos, you'll see what the first one ever looked like. This one is an awesome model. It's just great that it has this first floor bedroom and then 2 other additional sleeping areas. So really 3 sleeping areas plus a couch. If you're doing Airbnb, this is a great option. If you just want a first floor bedroom, so you're not having to go up ladders, but you still have space for guests to come over, this is a great option as well. And then the price point on it is great. I'm gonna throw the pricing sheet up on the screen right now. It's for this specific model. If you check us out online, dragontinyhomes.com, if you go to the buy now page, you can see the model page for the Avalon and see all the different features that it has in it as well. On that buy now page is also a section for coming soon homes. We have more Avalons in production right now that will be out. All of them are just a slightly different flavor of this, different finishes and things like that. So if this one doesn't quite match your style, we might have one that's coming out soon. So give us a call, 470-748-9854. If you have any questions that aren't answered online, we'd love to talk to you. Get you all the information you need on this house, any of the other homes, compare this house to the 32-foot version for you, and just talk you through everything that you need. And we're looking forward to working with you to get you in the tiny home of your dreams.